Ucupaint is a free add-on for Blender. Ucupaint can quickly make a wood material. I'll show how to do it in a few minutes. Start with a cube to make the material. Create 3 channels: color, roughness, and normal. The background should be a light brown, then add a dark brown solid color layer. But I forgot to make changes to the UV layout. I press U to show the options for creating a UV layout. I select Reset to place the faces on top of each other. I check in the UV workspace to see how the faces are on top of each other. Now I make the dark brown solid color layer. I make a mask using the noise texture. It will use the UV layout that I have just created. It is difficult to see the noise. A trick is to just show the noise. So make the noise the active mask and click the Preview button. The noise factor is just values of gray. I adjust the noise mask. I change scale, roughness, and distortion. Under Vector, I change 2 of the directions to stretch the texture. It is now beginning to look like wood. I turn off the preview. I can now see the colors, but they are too light. I need to darken the colors. The best way is with a ramp modifier. There are 2 other channels that can be added. I turn them on. A wood material only needs a small amount of bumping, so I reduce it to 0.02. Multiply is current layer mode. However, I find that linear light is often better. Linear light darkens the material, however the ramp can be used to lighten the material again. Roughness does have an effect on the material. It is possible to bake the mask layer and use it to control the roughness in certain areas. However, the effect is barely noticeable, so I won't use it. I will bake the mask to show how easy it is to bake a mask. I give it the name Mask Bake and click OK. See what the bake image looks like, but I won't use it this time. I will now show an example of a simple desk which has the wood material I just created. It has a boolean modifier to cut out the middle part. I select the desk and give it the same material as the cube. The scale is not correct, so the desk will have to be UV unwrapped. The desk is made from two parts: the top and the base. Each part has a rectangular shape. This will help me create the UV layout in a quick and simple procedure. I select the desk and select the edit mode. I select the top of the desk. I go to the top orthogonal view. I press U to show the options for creating a UV layout. I select Cube Projection, which places the opposing sides on top of each other. This is an efficient and quick way of unwrapping. In the UV editing workspace, I do scaling. When I am satisfied with the appearance of the top, I invert the selection and do the same procedure for the lower part of desk. In the object view, I see the effect of the boolean modifier. It has a scaling issue with the faces that it has created. To fix this issue, I would recommend applying the boolean modifier before assigning the material.